Good morning, my dear students. My name is Bapa Pulen. I am working as an English teacher in Sri Madhusudeshwara High School, Army. Dear students, today we are going to start a lesson. The title of the lesson is A Hero. This lesson was written by the writer R.K. Narayan. So before we are going to start this lesson, it is better to know something or some about R.K. Narayan. It is better to know about the writer before we are going to start this lesson. R.K. Narayan, he was a famous, great Indian English novelist. He wrote so many novels. And also he wrote so many novels. Among the novels, a guide, this novel got a Sahitya Akademi Prashasti or award, Sahitya Akademi Award. And also, R.K. Narayan, he was elected as a Vidhana Parishad member. So like this is the brief notice or brief matter about this writer R.K. Narayan. Let us know what is the main points in this lesson we are going to learn. A hero, the title itself, it indicates that a person who became a hero, he has to be done or he has to achieve something in this society. Here so many characters are coming in this lesson. A boy or a lad called named Swami. His father, he was working as a lawyer, and also his old mother, grandmother, Granny, and his mother, and the police inspector. Like this, so many characters are appearing in this lesson. This is the lesson for the sake of the youngsters, prescribed for the sake of only the youngsters, how they were showing their courage, how they were showing their that what you are called that very achievement. So here the students or the youngsters having their own courage. This is the theme of this lesson. We are going to analyze that the courage is very important, but age is not important. We have to show your courage anywhere, at any time. What we are going to achieve in your life. So this is the main theme or main theme of this lesson. Here in this lesson, the Swami, he showed his achievement or he showed his courageousness. Even though he is not having courage, but at that situation, he has to be shown his courage. Let us Now I am going to read this lesson. Look at the text. A hero written by R.K. Narayan. For Swami, events took an unexpected turn. Father looked over the newspaper he was reading under the hall lamp and said, Swami, listen to this. News has been received about the bravery of a village lad who, while returning home by the jungle path, came face to face with a tiger. The paragraph described the fright the boy had with the tiger and his fight up the tree where he stayed off a day till some people came that way and killed the tiger. After reading it through, Father looked at the Swami fixedly and asked, what do you say to that? Swami said, I think he must have been a very strong and grown-up person, not a boy at all. How could a boy fight a tiger? You think you are wiser than the newspaper? Father shrieked. A man may have the strength of an elephant and yet be a coward, whereas another may have the strength of a stork. But if he has courage, he can do anything. Courage is everything. Strength and age are not important. Swami disputed the theory. How can it be, Father? Suppose I have the courage, what could I do if a tiger should attack me? Leave alone strength. Can you prove you have courage? Let me see if you can sleep alone tonight in my office room. A frightful proposal, Swami thought. He had always slept beside his granny in the passage, and my change in this arrangement kept him troubling and awake all night. He hoped at first that Father was only joking. He mumbled weakly, yes, and tried to change the subject. He said very loudly and with a great deal of enthusiasm, we are going to admit even elders in our cricket club. Hereafter, we are buying brand new bats and bells, new bats and balls. Our captain has asked me to tell you. We will see about that later. Father cut in. You must sleep alone here, Doctor. Swami realized that the matter had gone beyond his control. From a challenge, it had become a comment. He knew his father's intensity at such moments. From the first of next month, I will sleep alone, Father. No, you must do it now. It is a disgraceful sleeping beside granny or mother like a baby. You are in the second form and I do not like the way you are being brought up. He said that looked at his wife who was rocking the cradle. Why do you look at me? Why do you say it? She asked. I hardly know anything about the law. No, I do not mean you, said Father. If you mean your father is spoiling him, if you mean your mother is spoiling him, tell her so and do not look at me, she said and turned away. Dear students, in this first paragraph, the writer you want to explain about the message in the newspaper. Swami's father, he was going to read that newspaper. What a village lad or village boy, how he was showing his courage or bravery in this newspaper. For Swami, events look at unexpected turn. Father looked over the newspaper. Here, early in the morning, Swami's father looked over the newspaper. Regularly, his father going to read morning newspaper. He was reading under the hall lamp. In his house, there is a hall. In that hall lamp, his father, Swami's father, he reading the newspaper. Swami listened to this. So why his father going to read newspaper in the hall? Swami's father, he said to Swami, Swami, listen here. Listen to this. News has been received from the bravery of a village lad. Lad means boy. Lad means boy. So here there is a news. This news belongs to a bravery of a lad, a village lad or boy. While returning home by the jungle path, came face to face with a tiger. This is the matter. The village lad, while he was returning home by the jungle path. Path means way. Jungle means forest. While that village lad, he was returning from the home with through this village, that forest or jungle path. Path means way, road, route. Came face to face with a tiger. He wanted to face a tiger. The paragraph described the fright the boy had with the tiger. That boy was frightened when the tiger came face to face, and he is a fight of the tree where he stayed half a day till some people came that way and killed the tiger. When the village lad, he faced the tiger face to face, he climbed a tree till half a day. He expected that some people come and kill the tiger. This is the story of this newspaper. After reading it through, father looked at the Swami fixedly and asked, "What do you say? What do you say to that?" After reading this message, Swami's father asking question to this Swami, "What do you say to that? What do you say? What is your reply for this message?" Swami said, "I think he must have been a very strong and grown-up person." Swami answered that, "I think he must have been a very strong and grown-up person." Swami said, that boy or lad, he was a strong and grown-up person. Not a boy at all. I think he was not a boy, or he was not a lad. He was a grown-up person. How could a boy frighten a tiger? That Swami asking to his father, how can that boy frighten a tiger? How could a boy frighten a tiger? Asking Swami these questions to his father. How could a boy fight a tiger? Is it possible that the lad or village boy, he was fighting with the tiger? You think you are wiser than the newspaper? Swami's father answered to this question. I think you think you are wiser than the newspaper? that my newspaper report, father father sneered means speak in a very unkind way. Sneered means speak in a very unkind way. A man may have a strength of an elephant and yet be a coward. Yes, his father giving an example. A man who is having a strength of an elephant. A person who is having a strength of elephant and yet to be a coward. So this is the example that his father given. Whereas another may have the strength of a stew, but if he has courage, if he is not having a strength, but the person having a courage, this is the difference. Those who are having a strength, they did not having courage. But those who are not having a strength, but they were having courage. He can do anything. Courage is everything. His father answered, the courage is everything. Yes. Dear students, you are the youngsters. You are having such a strength. That courage is also very important. Strength it is not important, but courage is very important. Bravery or courage is very important. Courage is very everything. Strength and age are not important. Yes. Strength and age it is not important, but courage is very important. This message given by his father. So strength is not important, but everything. Strength and age is not important, but courage is everything. Courage is very important. Swami disputed the theory. How can it be, Father? Suppose I have the courage, what could I do if a tiger should attack me? That Swami asked a question to his father. How can it is, Father? How can it is possible? I am having a courage. If the tiger attacked me, will attack me. What to do? What could I do? What could I do if a tiger attacked me? If a tiger should attack me? This question asked from by Swami. Leave alone strength. Can you prove you have courage? Yes. For that question, Swami's father answered that leave that strength. Swami, can you prove you are having such a courage? Let me see if you can sleep alone tonight in my office room. His father, he challenging to Swami, if you are having courage, let me, you are going to sleep alone in this night in my office room. A frightful proposition. Swami thought. Then Swami thought, he had always slept beside his granny in the passage. Swami regularly in his house, he sleeps with his granny. Granny is the name of his grandmother. Always that Swami sleep beside granny in the passage. Passage means that hall in the house. And any change in this arrangement kept him troubling and awake all night. Yes, it is a great trouble to him. He was always sleep together with his granny. He hoped at first that father was only joking. The Swami would think that my father is joking. But he said very loudly and he mumbled quickly. Yes, and tried to change the subject. He said very loudly and with a great deal of enthusiasm, we are going to admit even elders in our cricket club for the. We are buying brand new bats and balls. Now that Swami, he want to change the subject. He was not ready to accept the challenge. We were buying a brand new bats and balls. Our captains has asked me to tell you. We will see about that later. Father, Kati, you must sleep alone here after. His father strictly he said that, told that, Swami, you must sleep alone in my office room. Swami realized that the matter had gone beyond his control. From a challenge, it had become a command. It is commanded by his father. He knew his father's intensity at such moments. Swami knew that his father was commanding. He wanted to check his courage or bravery. From the first of next month, I will sleep alone, Father. He want time that Swami he said like this. From the first of next month, I will sleep alone, Father. No, you must do now. No, you must do it now. His father not ready to accept it. You must do it now. It is disgraceful sleeping beside granny or mother like a baby. Disgraceful, graceful, disgraceful, opposite words. It is in a part of ashamed. You always sleep with granny or mother like a baby. You are in the second form and I do not like the way you are being brought up. He said and looked at his wife who was rocking the crane, rocking the crane, rocking rocking the crane. You know the crane? The small babies were sleeping in crane. Why do you look at me while you say it? Why do you look at me while you say it? She asked. I hardly knew anything about the boy. His mother said about his son. No, I do not mean you, said father. No, I do not mean you, said Swami's father. If you mean your mother is spoiling him. Swami's father told like this, if you mean your mother is spoiling him. Spoiling means destroy. Tell her so and do not look at me, she said and turned away. Dear students, this is the story about that Swami and his father and what was the matter of this newspaper early in the morning while his father was reading the newspaper. And also how that lad or village boy, he was frightened face to face the tiger while he was returning from home, the path of jungle. And also his father, Swami's father, he wanted to check the courage or bravery of his son Swami. Swami's father told that strength is not important, strength and age is not important, but courage is very important. Those who are having strength, but they did not having courage. But those who are having courage, they did not have strength. But here, Swami's father, he analyzed that the strength and age is not important, but courage, bravery is challenge to Swami. If you are having courage, you sleep alone in my office room in this night. But Swami did not take me as seriously, but he knows that my father is making a joke. What it is, the seriously, his father commanded him, you must or you should sleep in my office room alone this night. But Swami regularly he sleep with his granny or grandmother. So, but he is having a trouble. Swami answered that I sleep in the first of the last next month. But Swami's father he did not accept this. You should or you must sleep this night alone in my office room. And also he told his mother, you spoil your son. Spoiling your son. Spoiling means that's what. Father told to his wife, you are spoiling his son. But she was not accepted it. So anyhow, here Swami's father he want to check or he want to know how my son Swami having such courage or bravery. So this is the story. In this up to fifth paragraph, we are going to know. Here, the courage is very important. Strength and age is not important. The person who is having a strength and age, he is not having courage. He is a coward. But those who are having a courage, he is not having a strength and age. But here, one thing you have to realize that, remember that the courage is, bravery is very important. Students, you are the youngsters now. You are having such a courage or bravery. You have to show your bravery or courage. The age is not important. The strength is not important. This is the story what we have learned in this first fifth paragraph. Yes, here in this lesson, here so many new words are introduced here. One is sneer. Sneer means speak in a very unkind way. Sneering. Swami's father sneered or sneering. This is sneer means speak in a very unkind way. Frightful. It is unpleasant. Frightful means unpleasant. Crafty, a little and a big. Mere skeleton, very thin. Scowl, an angry look or expression. Scowl means an angrily or an angry look or expression. So like that, so many new words are introduced in here. Students, you have to try to construct a new sentences using these words. In your own words, you have to use these new words. Here, there are homework questions are here. What was the report in the newspaper? What was the report in the newspaper? As I told you, the early morning, Swami's father want to read the newspaper in the hall. This is what was the report in the newspaper. Right about that tiger was face to face in the jungle path. given, what was the Swami's reply about report? What was the Swami's report about that? Or Swami's reply about that report? Third one is how Swami's father tested the Swami's courage or bravery. You know that, as I told you, that Swami's father, he told him or he commanded him to sleep alone in his office room this night. So like this, the father, we want to check we want to test the Swami's courage or bravery. Fourth one is, who was Granny? You know that Granny was the grandmother of Swami. Always Swami sleep beside Granny. So these are all the simple questions we are going to write as a woman. Yes? Any questions regarding this lesson, these chapters? But one thing you have to realize, my dear students, you are the youngsters, you are having such a courage or bravery. We have to show that courage or bravery when that situation will be happen. So that here, in this lesson, you learn that courage is important, strength and age is not important. Know that Swami, in this next paragraph, how Swami want to face that problem, how he was sleep alone in the office room, what were the problems he was facing, how he became a hero, how he was appreciated by his classmates, headmaster and police sub-inspector. Anyhow, you are the youngsters. You have to show your bravery or courage when it necessary. We have to save someone or we have to show your bravery or strength anywhere. But this is the important thing that you are going to know in this lesson. Thus the story is very important. That bravery or courage is very important. And also his father also, you want to check his courage or bravery. How that Swami he became a hero, or how his bravery, that strength is not important. Strength and age is not important, but courage is very important. I have to know this message in this lesson. Have I understood my students? Yes. Let us, we are going to stop here and let's continue in the next period. Thank you very much.